¿Tienes my teeth? Okay, and acción.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on this look right here. So if you wanna know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes and my eyebrows first. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia the pomade dipbrow in ash brown. I would show you, but my camera sucks, so it's not on focus, but you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And I'll speed through the process for this because I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I'll also link down below. An in-depth eyebrow tutorial about how I do my eyebrows. And I'll just do these probably off camera or something. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and like I said, I like to apply concealer as my base. And I'm just going in with the 16-hour camo concealer, the e.l.f. in medium beige. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead with that. And today I'm not using the, actually I'm gonna use the my little beauty sponge, the Real Technique sponge. So I'm gonna just fill that in. This concealer dries pretty fast. You gotta make sure when you apply it. And yes, it's a little lighter than my actual color, but I like to use it as a highlight base. You know, I like to highlight with it, so yeah. Okay, so go ahead and go in with a Morphe brush, and I'm gonna use the E22 brush, and it's like a little fluffy, kind of like tapered brush, little cute little brush. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and just use this transition color. Well, not transition, I'm gonna just use this all over my lid. Okay, so this color right here, this one is called Moonstruck. Just use that one all over the lid. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Sparks Fly. I'm gonna go in with that and then take it on my crease and just blend that out. Okay. Now I don't want to take it too in just yet. So I'm going to just blend it out. Get that outer crease, blend it. And then whatever's left on the brush, then I'll take it in a little bit. But if I do it from the beginning, it's going to have like a harsh line, and it's not what I want. So blend that in. I'm going to go back with some more and then just pretty much continue to add it until you're happy with the desired amount. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other eye as well. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so I'm gonna just go in with this brush, and this is the M330 brush. I'm gonna just use that one and go with Winning Ticket. And this palette is the You Had Me at Hello from ColourPop eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna just go in with that color and just get it all in my crease. And it really doesn't matter if you go in a little messy on the lid, because I'm also going to apply that on the lid. but I just want to blend it out on the crease, have it blended. Like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Okay. So I'm gonna just go ahead and darken the crease with black. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned off all the excess that fell. Yeah, so what I like to do is just like go on my foundation and then do the bottom lash line, just in case, like, let's say I'm doing my foundation and I accidentally touch the bottom lash line and it messes up with powder and all that stuff. I don't want that. So I like to do my foundation, do that, and then just do the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my primer. And I already moisturized my face, so we're good to go. And I'm also going to do probably a wing liner. I'm in the mood for that. Maybe. Not sure. I am in the mood though. Just depending on how the look is. So I like to just take it down. It's so soft. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. This brush here. And go in with, I feel like looking all glowy today. So I'm actually going to go. Okay. So I'm also going to use these Tim 2 liquid ones, liquid gold. I got these in the BoxyCharm box. I'm gonna just add a couple on the back of my hand and then mix that up with my foundation. And of course this foundation is the Fit Me Dewy Smooth in the shade 315 Soft Honey. So I like to again just mix it with my finger. Warm that foundation up. Just apply it all over the face. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer. This concealer is the same shade that I use for the eyebrows. A little goes a long way, so I don't really like to use too much. It looks like a lot, but oh my god, it looks like a lot, but it's not, I promise. Okay, and then with this, I like to go in with my Real Techniques sponge. Just blend that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use, this is the Hydrating Set Retouch Powder. I don't think it has a color. I think it's just like a translucent color. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my little e.l.f. brush and do that. backwards. Yes, I know. I like to finish my face and then finish the eyes. My mother just came. She came. Yes, she's so low-key mad because I said she didn't have no cheekbones, but she does not have cheekbones, mother. So I didn't lie. Don't take offense to it. She has no cheekbones. How does my makeup look so far, mommy? So I'm just contouring the face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the highlight. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Sparkling Sass. Okay, so I went ahead and did my highlight. Since I like to do my highlight before my, what's it called? My blush. And then I'm gonna go in with my Becca brush. And then do the blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes now. Since I already did the face and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color here. That's the Sparks Fly. And I'm gonna just use a M3, what's it, 321? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner, but I'll do this off camera because I'm gonna be like this. So I'm gonna do my liner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one. I already did my liner off camera. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that color, the Candy Graham, and do my inner corner just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and completed the look. This is the final look. I went ahead and applied my liner. I did my under eyes off camera, and then I also added my lashes. And these are in the style Nayla. It looks like these are from the Sultry Sexy's Eyes Boutique lashes. I'll also link their link down below. And I also did my lips, and I used the Ofra Cosmetics in Verona, but I also mixed it with the Jeffery Star lipstick in the name Nathan. So yeah, that completes my look. I think that is it. Okay, so that completes the looks, guys. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.